Raising just is started. We have Queen Alicia. Break quickly at the start. Top Notcher moving a party outside. Now is Eagle swings to take the lead. Luna Rosa, Myray. Then next on line is Fiery Princess. Defiant Pair Heaven, while Manila's Gem is the early trailer going along for the first turn. We have Eagle swings by about 3 lengths. Top Notcher is right behind in second. Queen Alicia. Myray comes next, then followed over by Luna Rosa, Pair Heaven, and on the outside of his Fiery Princess, Defiant, while Manila's Gem is still racing unless back to the leader. We have Eagle swings moving upon the outside of his Top Notcher to take the lead. We have Top Notcher now takes command by about 2 lengths. Driving back in second is Eagle swings. Myray moving upon the outside of his Fair Heaven. Queen Alicia Queen's next, and on the outside Fiery Princess, Luna Rosa, Defiant, and Manila's Gem. And Diana went in the home stretch. Top Notcher moving up now on the outside is Myray. We have Top Notcher by our length and up. Moving up now to take the lead on the outside is Myray. It's now Myray followed by Top Notcher, Fair Heaven. And finally it's going to be Myray. Top Notcher, then comes Fair Heaven, Queen Alicia, Luna Rosa, Fiery Princess.